In the quiet green fields of Roosdaal, Belgium, a familiar silhouette stands. A farmhouse from the 1990s, known locally as a fermette. Once standard, even ordinary. Now, it has been transformed. This is Omloop Farmhouse, where earth becomes architecture and time becomes design. Redesigned by Hay, architecture, the home is not simply renovated, it is rerouted. Its relationship with the land, the seasons, and the people who live within it has been reshaped with clarity and care. Gone are the cluttered rooms and inefficient corridors. In their place, light, flow, openness, a new spatial logic that breathes, evolves, and welcomes. At the heart of this transformation lies the earth itself. Thick rammed earth walls now define the winter garden, thermal mass that stores warmth on cold days and coolness on hot ones. Not just a material, a climate strategy, a texture, a presence. Inside, walls are finished in soft red clay plaster, echoing the tones of the soil outside. The original boiler has been replaced by a loam-heated stove, a natural source of warmth and ambience, connecting ritual and necessity. Function is not forgotten. On the ground floor, a compact yet elegant bedroom and bathroom make aging in place not just possible but graceful. The former garage is now the home's new entrance, welcoming and grounded. Throughout the space, thresholds are softened. The old merges with the new. Traditional forms meet contemporary function. Light pours through new openings, animating surfaces. Textures shift from rough to refined, but always the material speaks. This is honest architecture. What makes Omloop truly special is not just what has changed, but what has been remembered. That a home can be both modern and mindful. That beauty can rise from humility. That comfort doesn't need complexity, just intention and respect for the earth. Omloop is more than a farmhouse. It is a quiet manifesto for how we might live, rooted, resilient, and in rhythm with nature.